Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to get this quick and easy Onam glam look. I am going to start with the concealer as a primer on my eyelid as the base for my eyeshadow. I'm going ahead with this warm shade and I'm going to put it in the crease as a transition because today we are doing a golden halo look. I think brown will bind the look really well. Profusion Cosmetics is available on Nykaa, but only certain products are available. You can check it out if you want to. I'm now using this deep purple shade. It doesn't look purple on camera, but it is a very deep purple. I'm going to pop it in the outer and the inner corner of my eye to create a halo look. If you want to be precise as to where the shimmer goes, you can always use a Q-tip and some makeup remover and clean the middle part of the eyelid. I'm then going to use this gold foil shade and I'm going to apply it in the center of my eyelid. The part of the eyelid should be corresponding to the black part of your eye. Always apply shimmers in a swiping or a patting motion. Then I'm going to use some shimmer dust and apply it at the center wherever I have used the shimmer to give it a glam look. If you are someone who likes to keep it basic, then you can completely skip this step. Then I'm going ahead and cleaning all the rough edges to make sure that it looks nice, even and soft. Then I'm using the Kajal. I have put it in my waterline and outside my waterline like I usually do, and then I'm going to smoke it out with a small flat brush. I think it gives a really nice desi look to your eyes. I'm then going to take this grey shade and I'm going to blend the black with the grey so that it looks nice and all blended out and very soft. Now I'm just going to add some highlighter under my brow bone and in the inner corner. It makes your eyes look wide awake when you pop some highlighter in your inner corner and your brows lifted when you put some highlighter under your brows. Now I'm going to use the liner. I already have a liner tutorial. I'll leave the link in the description box. Then I'm using a compact and cleaning out all the fallout from the eyeshadow to keep it clean and simple. Then I'm just going to bronze my skin a little bit to give that sun-kissed warm look to my face. Now I'm going to use the Nykaa lip palette as a cream blush. I don't like how it performs as a lip palette, so I'm going to use it as a blush but in very less quantity because it's a lip palette. It has oils and it can break down your makeup after a certain point of time. Now I'm going to use the highlighter at the usual places of my face, apples of my cheeks, bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, and a little bit on my forehead. Then I'm going to fill in my lips with a lip liner and a lipsticks with a beautiful rusty red shade. This is the final look. If you like this video, then please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.